Today, we're looking at the 10 best fashion photography filters, presets, and actions for Lightroom and Photoshop in 2021. This gorgeous selection of items will help you enhance the look and feel of your photography, helping you to achieve stunning results. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription-based service that helps you bring your ideas to life. With full access to millions of digital creative assets, resources, and services, simply download whatever you want as many times as you want and use your favorite items to enhance your creative projects. Find the perfect plan for you or your business by clicking the link in the description below. Number 10. 50 Men's Fashion Lightroom Presets and LUTs by Sparkle Stock. At number 10 today, this bundle of 50 Lightroom presets is perfect for fashion or editorial photography. With a variety of looks inspired by men's fashion magazines, whether you're shooting formal or streetwear, these multi-purpose presets will give your photos a consistent look. Number 9. 50 Film Noir PS Actions Bundle by Micromove. Our next pack of Photoshop actions brings an element of stylish sophistication and luxury to your photography. With 30 cinematic color and 20 black and white actions, you can experiment with this pack to achieve everything from a retro aesthetic to a modern look. Number 8. Matte Fashion Lightroom Presets by Temaphoto. At number 8 today, we have a charming selection of matte presets that are perfect for adding an element of softness to any photograph. With 20 included presets, there's sure to be something here for every style of photo. Number 7. Stylish Portrait Pro Lightroom Preset by Creative Tacos. Our next pack of Lightroom presets have been designed with both beginners and professionals in mind. With one-click editing, you can quickly elevate your event photos, achieving stylish and unique results. Number 6. Fashion Lightroom Presets by Presage. This handy pack of Lightroom presets is a must-have for Instagram and blogger shots, helping to create moody, contrasty results with beautiful color tones. Especially good for portraits, these 15 premium presets are a great way to make your photography stand out online. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Skin Retouch Actions Photoshop by Tulagas. Next up, we have an advanced skin retouching action pack. These 34 actions let you mattify, airbrush, and heal skin to easily achieve flawless professional results in a fraction of the time. Number 4. Urban Fashion LUTs Pack by Ellen the DP. Up next, we have a LUT pack that is perfect for when you need results fast. This pack lets you easily adjust intensity and contrast with a quick click to capture a range of moods, and is ideal for initial project ideas and presentations. Number 3. 20 Black Lightroom Presets and LUTs by Sparkle Stock. At number 3, we have a hard-hitting Lightroom preset bundle that really packs a punch. With 20 presets for desktop and mobile that give you sharp black tones, this pack would be ideal for all things urban and streetwear. Number 2. Glamour Photography Photoshop Actions by Creative Tacos. Our next Photoshop Actions bundle comes with a variety of different effects and color options. Particularly suited to fashion and jewelry content, this pack is perfect for when you're looking to create strong contrast with faded shadows. Number 1. Editorial Magazine Lightroom Presets by 2FX. At number 1 today, we have a collection of 30 professional presets created specifically to bring editorial content to life on the page. Ideal for photographers and designers alike, it's easy to get experimenting and make your images look sophisticated and magazine chic with these non-destructive Lightroom presets. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best fashion photography filters, presets, and actions for Lightroom and Photoshop in 2021. Did any of those items stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.